Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video, and we are speaking about the latest and the last episode of Isthembu Sikamsonge. Well, listen you guys, they did say that this was going to be a short series, a 3-part series, and this is the last episode of this short mini series. If I would have to rate it out of 10, you guys, I'm giving it a solid 8.5 out of 10. I don't even know what would I criticize about it because it was that good, you guys. I truly do think Uti, this show deserves a season 2 of the series. But anyway, you guys, let's get right into it. So this episode starts off with Uphathekile. She is walking nomfundisi. It looks like ukhapha umfundisi, because remember the last episode, umfundisi was at their place, something like that. Or either they're coming from somewhere, but I don't know. But I guess it's coming from their house, because that's how the last episode ended. So Uphathekile then says, ngithi angibonge la mfundisi ukuthi usilethele umthandazo la ekhaya. Then umfundisi then says, udumo kaNkulunkulu kuphela. Then Uphathekile says, amen. Ngizwe ngathi umkhulu nje umthwalo osukile la emahlombe. Then umfundisi then says ukuthi ngiyajabula ukuzwa lokho, udumo kuNkulunkulu. Tshela mina, kunjani izinto ekhaya? Uphathekile is like, hey phela uMsongelwa, he's still gallivanting out there. Sekathole omunye ke umuntu wesifazane afisa ukuthi ahlekisane naye. Umfundisi is like, omunye umfazi. Uphathekile is like, hey phela uthi ukuthi ufisa that woman becomes his only wife. Umfundisi is like, uJesu athi indoda mele ibe nomfazi oyi-1. Pho wena uthini ngakho? Guys, I laughed because I was just like, brother Enigma, is that you? Uphathekile is like, hey, angazi mfundisi, angazi impela. Like into engiphatha kabi kabuhlungu lana ukuthi ubaba nje uzongisola, speaking about a biological father, uthi uzongisola mina ukuthi yimi nje uyo yonke lento, like I'm the cause of it. Umfundisi then says ukuthi phela akusilona iphutha lakho leli. Then Uphathekile is like, ngiyazi kodwa hayi mfundisi, yayibona leyo ndoda ezala mina, ngisaba nje nokuliphatha igama lakhe nje. And then Mfundisi is like, yazi, when you have such problems, the important place for you to be is esontweni, eduzane kwam nebandla. I'm just like, yazi Mfundisi uzifunela umuntu. What do you mean Mfundisi eduzane kwakho? And then ibandla. Uphathekile is like, hawu phela esontweni kusekhaya, uyazi nawe mfundisi. Then umfundisi goes on to say ukuthi ithi ngikutshele ke, esontweni iminyango are always open, you're always welcome when you're going through situations. Uphathekile then says, amen, hayi ngiyabonga mfundisi. Kodwa hayi bengisacela indlela baba, nali nelanga seliyashona. Then umfundisi is like, hayi kulungile Phathekile, uhambe kahle. Then Uphathekile says, amen baba. Then Uphathekile walks. Umfundisi is left there, guys standing watching Uphathekile walk off, and he is smiling, almost blushing as she's walking off. I'm just like, listen Phathekile, if things really don't work out nomsongela, here's a man for you. Plus you guys niyazwana ngalezi zinto zomthandazo. Next thing guys, le waDumakude in his yard. Abafazi baDumakude, they are sitting in the lounge. Angithi balinde umalume because bathume umalume and the friend ke uNduku to go and fetch uMsongela. So they sitting there in the lounge balindile. Angene umalume. When umalume comes in, all the wives guys, they get up, they're like, hi bo malume. Umamkhulu is like, malume, kwenzenjani? Umalume is like, hey, uyabheda, ahlale phansi. Umamkhulu is like, yini? Then umalume is like, angazi nokuthi ngichaze kanjani lento. Umamkhulu is like, khuluma malume silalele. Ayibo umalume is like, uMsongelwa akasekho. Usenzeni is like, ushonile. Uphathekile like, she's like, aw Jehovah, how? So bayini, yay. That time, guys, her hands are on her head. She uyathandaza there. I'm just like, umalume is like, hayi, akashonanga, uyaphila. I'm just like, really, malume, your choice of words? And then umamkhulu is like, manje, like, because uthini ukuthi akasekho. Ushintshephi kanti? Umalume then says ukuthi, hey, useguqukile phela lo muntu. Lo mfazi umguqulile, hey, usenye into nje namehlo wakhe. He's not the same Songelwa nje esimaziyo. He keeps quiet after that, guys, and they just sitting there looking at him, waiting for him ukuthi aqhubeke. Hayi bo umalume vele athi, akhona ama-scones la ekhaya. Ngiyabanda phela ngiyagodola. I'm just like, malume, people are waiting for you ukuthi uphume nendaba wena ukhuluma ngama-scones. He goes on to say ukuthi if ningangithonela ama-scones netiye nje, anything to get me warm. Umamkhulu is like, akunankinga malume, ngizokwenzela lona itiye. And she gets up, she goes into the kitchen. USenzeni is like, malume, uthi uduma kade ushintshile, usho ukuthini? Kanti wena ubone uduma kade onjani? Umalume goes on to say ukuthi hayi bo sekayisilwane awuyena umshana wami loyana. USenzeni then says ukuthi ngishilo ngitheni ngilitshelile ukuthi le yantombazana iyathabatha nathini kumina ngitheni mina. Umalume is like, hey, givumelana nawe makoti. At this point to mamkhulu, she's bringing the tea and she's sitting down to join in on the conversation. Uphathekile is like, manje ke malume, yini pho ebumanzisile. Umalume goes on to say ukuthi ilesi silwane lesiyana njena. Uphathekile is like, hayi. Umalume is like, hayi bo, ngisithole laphayana singunu sipheka ngathi ngikhuluma naso sangihlasela. USenzeni is like, hayi ke. Umamkhulu then says ukuthi manje ke malume awukwazanga ukuthi ubuye naye. And then umalume is like, bengizobuya kanjani naye uMkhovu. All the wives all say, uMkhovu. Guys, yo. And then umalume then says ukuthi lo mfazi umguqulile wamenza uMkhovu. Umamkhulu is like, manje ebebukaka kanjani ebenjani nje. Then umalume is like, bengicela ukuthi ngiqedelele itiye lami bandla. USenzeni is like, ngimitshelile nizosala nani phuzana nama-juice ihambile indoda. Uphathekile is like, kodwa Jehova. USenzeni is like, ihambile. Well, guys, next thing we see Umso, guys. He arrives at Asanda's yard coming from I don't know where. Arrives into a yard aphume. He can see ukuthi amagate endlini ukuthi kuvaliwe kusebusuku laphayana. He's like, Asanda. Imina Umso. Asanda comes out, she opens the door. She's wearing inaiti yakhe, her PJs, guys. She's in her cornrows. You can see ukuthi girl is preparing to sleep. Asanda zakho ufunani? Umso is like, bengicela ukuthi ukhulume nami ngiyacela. Cela ukuthi ungenise khona sizokhuluma. Asanda then says ukuthi ungakhulumela khona lapho. Then Umso is like, hawu kanti kwenzenjani? Like kwenzenjani ngempela yini engikwenze yona? Asanda is like, angeke ngikungenise la endlini ufunani? Umso then says ukuthi sebevumile ukuthi singaqhubeka sithandane. Asanda's like ngempela, like looking at him like to say, you really think I'm a fool wena? Then Umso's like, ngempela ngisho naseThekwini nje, I can go there nawe, no one will bother us anymore. Asanda's like, umthatho wakho wena Msongela, like ucabanga ukuthi ngingani? Mawubona mina ubona iPopeye nje. Umsengela's like, how ngingakwenza njani uPopeye wena wonke? Asanda then says, bengicela ukuthi uhambe ke ubuyele bafazini bakho. Mina nje ngiyahamba ngibuyele eThekwini. Bengicela ukuthi ufukane nami. Umso's like, ngeke ngikwazi ukuhlukana nawe. Angikwazi ukuphila ngaphandle kwakho. Umzimba wami awuvumi nje nenhliziyo yami ayivumi. Asanda's like, bye Msongela. She closes the door. Umso is like, kodwa qiniso lami. That time the door is shut. She's like, awukwazi ungenza kanje. Ngishilo mina ukuthi sohlukaniswa ukufa. Angiyindawo ngizolala lana. Asanda. While he's busy making noise, they remember unomuntu ogadayo there in the yard. Ulokhuzana ubaba uKhumalo, something like that. Asanda mentioned the name once. Aphume-ke, he's wondering ukuthi yayibo umsindo wani ebusuku kangaka. So ngempela-ke ubaba uKhumalo, he gets out. He's like, hayibo umsindo wani? Yeah, madoda. And then umsonga is like, oh, he's like apologizing there. Ubabu Kumalo is like, skatele, tina skatele. Umsonga is like, nam katele ngaponi water. And then he gets into the car. Then moments later, we see Ngatubuseksenu Wasanda's in the house. She pulls back the curtain. She's peeping through out the window. And she notices Utum So, Ulale Eyadin. He slept in the car, you guys. With half the window down, he's sleeping there in the car. I guess waiting for Istandwa Saike, but you can see Utwasanda, she kind of felt sorry for him. Then moments later, futhi we see Ngatumso uvukile, he's standing outside by the bike, he's on a phone call. So he's going on to say ukuthi uyigcine ke leyo mali kuwe. Ungacabanga ukuthi uzongishodisa or uzoyishodisa leyo mali ukuthi ngeke ngibone, ngizoyibona. Ngiyayifuna leyo mali. Goes on to say ukuthi into enhle ke namhlanje ke like izulu ke is shining like it's a beautiful day. Ibusiso nje. As he's talking like that, Asanda comes out of the house and then he goes on to say to whoever he's talking to ukuthi ngizobuya ngithinte ndoda kulungile. And then Asanda's like, so ulalelana. Umsongela's like, into kanjalo nje. And then Asanda's like, hey, angitshele bavumile ngempela amaphosikazi apho ukuthi ube nami. Umsongela's like, yebo bavumile. Guys, we all know that's not true because the wives are waiting for him ngamehlo abovu wherever they are at. And then ulokuzana Asanda's like, oh, batheni ke? Umsongela's like, bathe ngingahamba ngiyophila nomuntu wesifazane engimthandayo ngenhliziyo yami yonke. And then Asanda's like, bonke. Like, bonke bavumile. Umsongela's like, yebo bonke. Then Asanda's like, oh, hayi ke, ngifuna ukuthi ngiyobabona ke, bengicela ukuthi ungise kubo. Then Umsongela's like, angizwanga uthini? Asanda's like, angithi bavumile, ngifuna ukwenza isiqiniseko nje ukuthi like alikho igazi elibi phakathi kwami nabo. Umsongela's like, oh hayi, like asikho isidingo sithandwa sami, like asikho isidingo salokho. Asanda's like, ayike, it's either you take them to me or you take me to them, or mina nawe indaba yethu nje iphelile. Umsongela's like, cha, kahle, okay, kulungile, ngizokusa khona-ke. Bengicela ukuthi ngibathinte kuqala ngocingo, ngibatshele ukuthi siyeza. Then Asanda's like, oh, okay-ke, athi ngiyoshintsha-ke so that sizohamba-ke. Then Asanda goes in the house. Umsongela's like, ulungile. As Asanda's getting into the house, Umsongela, guys, he makes a quick call. Ufonela ubani undugu. He's like, wendoda, washa umkhukhu ndoda, washa phuthuma. Wena phuthuma uye ekhaya ufike ubatshele abafazi bami ukuthi bayadingeka kuyaphuthuma. Abahlangane nami elenki unomhlangano ophuthumayo. Ibalekile lento. Unbuza hayi abafazi bakho ungithuma kibo hayi bazongitrapa. Umsongela's like, hey wena yenza lento engiyishoyo how now kumhlolo wambo. Then that scene ends. Next scene, guys, we see the Samsangoma burping there with his things, and then we hear ilizwi likamamkhulu ngaphandle. She's like, somnyama. And then the sangoma says yebo, and then they get in. So angena umamkhulu ke bangena kunomkhukhu ulandele usenzeni, then uphathekile. Kodwa uphathekile niyamazi ke guys ukuthi umama womthandazo. Uyambona ukuthi akafuni nokungena lana, but usenzeni is giving her the eyes like, girl, aluziphathe kahle, si serious lana. So anyway, then the sangoma says ukuthi hayibo yebo ke ningahlalani phansi, and then he's humming there, and then they all sit down. Then he says ukuthi nginganisiza ngani. Umamkhulu's like, somnyama sinenkinga lana, umyeni wethu sekavele waqoqa impahla zakhe zonke wahamba wayentombini nje. She goes on to say ukuthi nomalume uSithende ngalama sekasitshela ukuthi bamguqulile bamenze umkhovu sithi asizohlola nje. Then ke lesi sangoma goes on to say ukuthi ngicela ukuthi ngane zami ningikhanyisele ke. So when they say ukuthi ningikhanyisele, means you must take out the money. Hayi bayikhiphe ke imali uSenzeni benomamkhulu bayikhiphe ke imali and then they put it there ngasemakhandlaleni. Hayi, he starts doing those things ukuthi ngiyakhuleka kuni in appeasing the ancestors, and then he says vumani bo. Then the wives uSenzeni benomamkhulu bathi makhosi. Then ke he shakes the bones, he's like vuthela. Umamkhulu avuthele aye kuSenzeni athi vutha. Then she avuthele ngempela. He goes to uphathekile azenzisa ingathi uyavuthela and she looks away. He's like vutha wena. Hey, uphathekile ke, you can see she doesn't want to be part of these things. Avuthe ke guys. Then Misangoma, he throws the bones there. He's like, yabona ke la. Nomyeni wenu. This means, Medasiti Abonagela, he's pointing at the bones. He's like, this means akukho okubi that has happened to him. Then he goes on to say, ukuthi bese-ke yabona ke lezi ntonga lezi, usho ukuthi izidalwa zakhe are surrounding him. Vumani bo. Umamkhulu, she says makhosi. That time uSenzeni ukwatile guys, because she's not happy with what the sangoma is saying ukuthi usho ukuthi ugeli ke that umsongela's with. She didn't do anything to umsongela. So uSenzeni, she's not happy about that. So uSenzeni, she just looks at umamkhulu like saying, which is like, are you really gonna agree to this nonsense? And then Sangoma goes on to say ukuthi futhi ke ngalana niyabona. Lokhu kuchaza ukuthi akukho obumnyama obumvelele. Fumani bo. Umamkhulu avumise yedwa guys, she's like makhosi. Then Sangoma says kukhona okunye. uSenzeni guys, she just grabs her money le ayikhiphile, she puts it in her bag and then she gets out like that. Isangoma sihleke guys. Phathekile gets up, she just leaves as well. Then umamkhulu gets up and they get out as well. Kusho ukuthi uSenzeni guys, she is not happy about what the sangoma told them. Next scene guys, ayibo uNduku ungena ngequantum in the yard kaMsongelwa. He is shouting guys esemotweni while the imoto has not even stopped. He's like mamkhulu. Umamkhulu uyazi ukuthi hayibo khona umuntu ongilokhuzayo ongibizayo ngaphandle, aphumele ngaphandle, uphathekile and uSenzeni follow her. uNduku stops the car, he gets out, he's like Ndlunkulu. Umamkhulu is like yini, wakhama ungathi undize ngathi uyibhanoyi, wenze njani? uNduku is like, oh Smaragde ngiyabonga nkosi yami, nkosi yokuphila ngiyabonga, nonke niphelele la. Ngiyacela ukuthi asambeni manje. Umamkhulu is like, whoa, kuyaphi? uNduku then says, taxi rank, niyazi ukuthini, ngithe mengifika manje ngathola abosibiya bezama ukungitshontsha itekisi la ekhaya. Yazi ukuchaza ukuthini lokho? Usho ukuthi sebeyazi ukuthi uMsongelwa uboshiwe. Guys, the way he's acting like they're like busy shouting, screaming, idrama yakhe, and amakhosikazi kaMsongelwa that time guys, they are not entertaining him, they're just looking at him kanjalo. Umamkhulu's like, uyaqala ukuhamba manga yini or uchwayele? And then uNduku was like, angihamba manga mamkhulu, angihamba manga. Umamkhulu's like, mosibona nje, ubona iphukuphuku nje. Hayibo, then ulokhuzana uNduku was like, Ndlunkulu angihamba manga, ngiyakutshela. Uphathekile is like, hey wena, siyazi ukuthi uMsongelwa akaboshiwe. Umamkhulu then says ukuthi usuka la usuka khona uzosiqambela amanga la. Uthi uSibiya wenzeni? She walks closer to him ngathi ufuna umshaya. uNduku's like, hi mamkhulu, ini. Umamkhulu's like, ungingiza into engapheli manje. He gets into the taxi. That time you can see ulokhuzana mamkhulu, like she wants to slap him at this point. She's like, uthi uSibiya wenzeni? Usuka la usuka khona uzosithaphela lana. And then umamkhulu is like, hamba uyosebenza, hamba uyemsebenzini wena. He just drives off like that, you guys. Kusho ukuthi when uMsongelwa was calling, he was calling uNduku to go and tell abakhosikazi zakhe ukuthi they must meet erenki, but clearly that plan did not work. Next thing we see Asanda, she's stressed up, guys. She's getting out of the house. Remember, she is ready to go and meet the wives. Umsongelwa, he's in the car. He's like, ufuleka uwenza lento leyo. Slima sento wena how. Indoda enjani? Once he sees Asanda eza ngasemoteni, guys, he changes his tone. He's like, lalela ke wendoda. Usebenzile yezwa. At this point, Asanda's opening the car. She's getting in. He goes on to say ukuthi batshena ukuthi ngiyeza nje lapho siyezwana. Ulungile ke mfana akithi. Asanda's like, ngaba konke kuhamba kahle mso? Umsongela's like, ingathi ngiyadingeke elenk isithanda sami. Unabantu who want to steal our route. Manje ke mele ngiyolungisa lento leyo. Asanda's like, oh, angeke ukwazi ukuthi uyolungisa after umhlangano wethu. Umso's like, ingeke kulunge ngoba hey, kuyaphuthuma, things are getting worse. Ngizothi mina mengiqedile laphayane ngidlule lana ngikulande sikhubeke siye emhlanganweni. Asanda's like, oh okay, like akunankinga ke ngizohamba nawe. Umsongena's like, izinto zaserenki engizothini if something bad happens ngingakwazi ke ukuvikela. Ingeke ndoda futhi uyazibona ukuthi umuhle kanjani. He's laughing there. He goes on to say ukuthi phela la madoda, those hyenas, they will be all over you. Bese mina ngiyadinwa ke bese ngenze njani? Cha sithandwa sami bengicela ukuthi usale nje ngithembe nje wena ukuthi mengibuya we will go to the meeting. Wasanda's like, mso yazi if udlala ngami like ngizohlukana nawe mso. Umsongena's like, how? Ungavumela abantu bangene phakathi kwethu, how yini? Awusangiboni? Ngeke ngidlale ngawe Asanda. Goes on to say ukuthi bengicela msithanda sami ungidedele dali wami ngizobuya nje. And then she says, okay, kulungile. She gets out of the car. Guys, next thing with Umsongela, even obviously there's nothing in Ndaba Yaserenke. He goes to the house so that he can fix the situation, so that by the time he comes and bring Asanda, everything is well. So the wives are sitting, guys. Got the merangene emnyango. They can't see him. When he gets in emnyango, he takes a deep breath. Yambona ukuthi like shame. He's like, let me just brace myself. Angene. When he comes in, the wives just look at him, guys. They are over that. They are over him. They don't even bam kichimele or ask him ukuthi bowuphi in. They just keep quiet. So Umsongela goes on to say how. Ngaze ngajabula ukunibona niphelele, and they just all just look at him. He goes on to say ngabe umalume ukhona. While he's saying that, he's sitting down. Umamkhulu uza cha akekho. Uhambe ngalesi sikhathi umthele ngamanzi phela. Umso then laughs. He's like, hayi kulungile ke. That time ifone angithi sepokuthini wasandi yafona. Then ulokhuzana Umsongela he goes on to say Mamzobe. Mamzobe umamkhulu. She's like dumakade. That time Asanda, she's at home. She's trying to call Umso and it eventually drops. The phone eventually drops. It goes to voicemail. But because he's sitting on top of the phone, you guys, the phone calls her back. Apendule Asanda, and she's like, Umsongela kaboni. He doesn't even hear. Then Umsongela says Senzeli. Pategile. Asanda's like, Umso, like, can you hear me? Umsongela goes on, he's like, niyazi ukuthi he says ukuthi niyazi ukuthi ngiyanithanda. Nginithanda kakhulu futhi. Asanda hears that and she just hangs up, you guys. Wherever she's at by her mother's house, she cries unluckily phone panty because she feels like this guy has been lying to me. He's telling me what his wives gave him the permission to be with me. Can't he's back there asking for love back or telling them that he loves them. So anyway, but you know how these stories work, guys, that you know Utumunti cuts the phone before the conversation continues for them to actually get context of what the person's actually saying. Umsongela goes on to say ukuthi into ekhombisayo ukuthi ngiyanithanda bekani ukuthi nibangakanani. I've just like able. He's like bekani ukuthi nibangakanani. This shows that I was trying by all means ukuze ningibone ngiyindoda eqotho kangakanani. Kodwa-ke ngase-ke ngayimosha yonke lento because I took the love that I have for you ngayibeka phambili ngazikhohlwa mina. Goes on to say ukuthi manje-ke sengicabanga ukuthi we need to fix the mistake I made. It's time sokuthi nami ngijabule ngizithande nami. As I said, ngiyanithanda kodwa uthando lwenu angeke likwazi ukudlula loluthando luka-Asanda enginalo. Goes on to say ukuthi u-Asanda yazi like kuyikho konke kumi, she's everything. Usenzeni is like xa ubuza lana Tumabude manje ufuna ukuthi the three of us asikulethela ukukhanya, asikulethela injabulo kahle kahle like asikujabulisi baba. Then umsongela then says cha angishongo njalo. Usenzeni is like pha uthini. Then umsongela then goes on to say ukuthi ngisho ukuthi senzeni yebo niyangijabulisa kodwa injabulo yami ngeke izikwazi indlulele lokhu ka-Asanda. So yes, you guys make me happy, but it's not more than how Asanda makes me happy. Uphathekile then says ukuthi manje ke baba ngithanga ngibuze ke la uthi sobe senze njani ke thina, what are we gonna do? Then uSongena says phathekile umuzi mkhulu ningahlala yabona nje mina sengizithathela isinqumo sami ngempilo yami yokuthi ngiyoqala impilo yami entsha sha. Okokugcina-ke ngiyacela bafazi bami ngicela iy'busiso ngisekeleni ingane zakithi ningikhulule ngihambe ngiye kwanhliziyo ngise. Umamkhulu zathi hayi Tumabude ngiyabuzwa mina anginankinga ngalokho. Then umsongela zathi how ngiyabonga ngadlangala yami. At this point guys you can see ukuthi there's no holding back a man that is convinced ukuthi he wants to be wherever he is. So you can see with this conversation, he's serious. Whether they agree, he's just trying to be respectful. Whether they agree or not, he's made up his mind. Then uphathekile is like, yabona-ke incwadi ithi incwadi engcwele. We should keep our peace and the Lord will fight for us. Even though owami-ke ubaba ezongisola ngayo yonke lento ngiyakhulula baba. Then umsongena says amen. Igama lenkosi alibongwe. Once it comes to Senzeni, because the other two wives have spoken, Usenzeni just gets up, guys, and she gets out of the house. Umsengena's like, how's Senzen, he gets up, he goes after, he's like, Senzen. At this point, Senzeni is rhyming, he's rhyming after, he's like, Senzeni is crying at this point. She's like, yini, awukwazi ukuthi ufuna ukuthi ngivume ukuthi wena uyahamba nomunye umuntu wesifazane, awukwazi ukuthi mina mele ngikwamkele lokho, especially uHasanda, not after yonke into that she's done to you. After ngaqoqa kanje wena ufuna ukuthi umshiye. Time guys, she is crying, she's hitting him on his chest. She's like, ucabangani ngami ingane yethu yona. Usongena zathi bengicela anungilalele ingane uzoqhubeka being part of her life. Lalela. Sengikhathele of doing what people want. Usenzeni shame, she's crying. I enjoyed and I appreciated this scene so much, you guys, because this is the reality of it, guys. Yes, the other two wives, they will accept because there's a maturity part of them. But Usenzeni, you could see she's in love with this man, you guys. And it's not going to be that easy for her to just accept and let him go. Ulokuzana umsongela zathi ngiyacela cela ungivumele ukuthi ngihambe ngiyacela cela ungibusise. Usenzeni zathi angifuni umsongela angifuni. Umsongela zathi senzeni zathi angifuni like ungangishiyi umsongela zathi inhliziyo wants what it wants. U-Asanda is my first love. Usenzeni is like pho mina ngenze njani ukuthi inhliziyo yakhe ifune mina ke. Umsongela zathi okwamanje the only thing you can do ukuthi shame, and she is crying there, guys. Next scene, guys, we see Umsongela. He is rooting from a distance to Asanda's yard. So ushukuthi he finally got Usenzeni to ukuthi amkhulule ke. He's waiting there, he's excited. He gets to the gate, he gets in the valley, he's like, Asanda, Asanda. Gets out of the car. He's like, Asanda, Sandra Sam, can you sonwam? Bavumile, bavumile, Asanda, Asanda. Ayibo, ubaba ukhuma laphume-ke. He's like, hayi bo, nasi bo istefe. Ufunani la ekhaya? Umsongele is like, hayi baba, bengithi ngifuna u-Asanda. He goes on to say ukuthi Asanda upakishe umthwalo wakhe wahamba. Uhambela ekhala ungenxa yakho-ke. Yazini wena umuntu omubi futhi unenhliziyo embi. Yazi wena man, ufuna induku wena kahle kahle, ufuna induku. Umsongele, as the man is talking, he gets into his car, he rushes off hoping that uzothola u-Asanda endleleni. Ngempela he finds u-Asanda endleleni. She's walking there, nemthwala yakhe. He's like, Asanda, Asanda. He parks the car. And then Asanda's like, ngiyeke Msongelo. He gets out. He tries to hold her. Asanda's like, cala ukuthi ungidedele ngihambe. He's like, hayi uhamba kanjani izinto sezilunga. Asanda's like, ngikuzwile Msongelo. Ngikuzwile utshela amakhosikazi akho ukuthi uyawathanda. Umsoke, he's trying to explain. He's like, cha, azange uzwe kahle. She's like, oh. Uthi ngiyahlanya mina. Uthi mina ukuthi angizwa kahle ngamandlebe wena. He's like, cha, awuzwanga ukuthi Asanda's like, uthini pho? Kunini ungenza isilima? Okokuqala you said ukuthi bavumile. Next thing you are there by your wives, you are telling them ukuthi uyabathanda. Now you are here, musu ungenza isilima. He's like, Sithandwa sami, ngiyindoda. I had to speak to them ngendlela isoka ilikhuluma ngayo so that they could accept what I'm saying. Yingakho-ke ngilana because ngempela bavumile. He's like, Sithandwa sami usangithanda. Then uKel is like, ngiyakuthanda. Then he says, nami ngiyakuthanda. He kisses her. He's like, asambe, guys. And that's how the story ends, you guys. I'm just like, yo, uKel wasithanda. She is brave. I don't know how she did it, but I guess Ukaya really loved it, guys, to leave one of his wives. And to know when it comes to society, how that is like a weak thing for men to do. I don't know, especially as Tenjin, because as Tembin, it's like, keep the wives that you don't love, as long as you keep them and then continue with the ones that you love. But this one was like, no, the one that I love cannot stand the situation, so I'm willing to leave all of it. Guys, anyway, let's park it right there. Tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys on the next one.